The city of Recife, located in northeastern Brazil, is a vibrant and charming destination offering a unique blend of history, culture and natural beauty. As the capital of the state of Pernambuco, Recife is known for its stunning beaches, rich architectural heritage and warm hospitality. One of Recife's main attractions is its stunning beaches. These golden sand beaches with crystal clear water attract locals and tourists alike. From Boa Viagem Beach, known for its lively atmosphere and busy promenade, to Porto de Galinhas Beach, known for its natural pools and coral reefs, Recife has a beach for every taste. In terms of tourist infrastructure, Recife offers a wide range of accommodation options, from luxury resorts to inexpensive guest houses. So, if you are looking for a place that combines history, culture, beautiful beaches, and warm hospitality in one place, then look no further than Recife.